so here's all the dust that came out after we used our dryer vent cleaner kit. So quite a lot. It comes with these little connector wands and you can make it the length that you need. Now our vent going to the outside of our house is curved a little bit, so we weren't able to use this to go all the way to the outside. But that's an issue with our house specifically. I think most people could just push it all the way through and the dust would actually go outside of your house into the dryer vent opening. But like I said, ours is a little bit more complicated. So my husband just pushed as far as he could, and then whenever that curve that he felt with our dryer vent, he just pulled it back out, and then that's all the dust that came out with the bristles. It just pulled all the dust out. So that is really gross, and that was all in our vent system. So I'm glad that was out. We're gonna keep messing around with it and we'll see if we're able to get all the way out of our house. But like I said, that's not an issue with the cleaner kit, that's an issue with our house. So most people would just be able to put this all the way through their vent system and it would push the dust to the outside of their house. But it works really well though. We were still able to get a lot of dust out. It came with plenty of the connector ones, so you can make it the length that you need. Now here's the end right here, and my husband just used the drill and he connected this to the end right here, and then you power on the drill and it rotates the bristly thing, it rotates it through the vent. So that's how you clean it. So I did not do this, obviously, I'm just narrating after the fact. So drill connects onto here, and then when you turn the drill on, it rotates this whole thing. It's all one long piece. You probably can't see that, but it's all one long piece. All the pieces were easy to connect, and there's tons left over in case you need them. You just twist all of these and connect them by hand to the length that you need. And then he just turned it on, and then it rotates the bristly thing, and that's how you actually clean through the dryer vent. So even though our setup was a little bit different and we weren't able to push this all the way through, we were still able to get a lot of dust out. We're gonna still keep playing around with it, but even without getting it all the way through, it was still able to get quite a lot out. So if you're looking for a good dryer vent cleaner kit, this one's a great one.